Hey, hello guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Sagar Prajapati, and in this video I am going to teach you about the difference between UDF and UDFT. So if you're coming, if you're learning Databricks or Spark, you must know UDF, right? User defined functions. But in the latest version of Spark 3.5.0 or 0, they have started a UDFT also. They have introduced UDFT function also, or the feature we can say, right? So let's understand what is the difference between these two and when to use when to use where, right? Which one do you use to where, right? So chalo. Before going to that, I would like to introduce the course, which is Azure Data Engineering full course. And if you are very interested to learn data engineering, Databricks, ADF, and if you want to build some projects, then you can check out this link I will give in the description box. So this course has like 12 courses and first course is Python, then SQL, then Databricks full course. You can click on here and check the course content and the feedbacks or the price and all. If you want to enroll individual course, then you can also check out, you just click on here and you can check out the individual courses also. If you want to buy a package, then you can enroll here, right? And in future, if I add some new courses, then it will be added over here only. You do not need to purchase the course again. So you can just enroll and you can just see over here, and based on your interest, you can enroll over here. Chalo, we'll go back to here again. And so see, UDFs take input column. So what is UDF, right? Maybe you do not know, you are very fresher and you do not know UDF. So let me introduce UDF also to you. So UDF take input columns and return a single value. Okay, however, they are cumbersome when returning multiple rows and columns, resulting in complex inefficient code. So what we used to do, when we use UDFs, right? So this is a kind of schema we have created, and then what I have done over here, we are using this UDF return type schema. So I'm saying, hey, I want to return this kind of schema, right? And then I created a function kind of thing, right, which takes like two parameters, start, end, and this is a return type, and I'm using a for loop over here. And then in order to use this UDF, right, I have to I have to create a data frame, and I can use and I can apply this function in one of the column, right? That's what it is mentioned over here, UDF take input columns, right? So that's what I am doing over here. This is a simple simple DF which has like 1 and 3, start and end. And then what I'm doing, I'm calling this function square number UDF, and which will take two parameters, right, df dot start, this first column and second column, and then alias as result, and it is returning me like num and square. Like so what does it mean is that is number ka square, like 1 1, 2 is 4 and 3 is 9, likewise 4 square is 16, 5 square is 25, like this it will come, correct? Now this is a very complex things. Think about that. You have a bunch of functions, you have to write a bunch of functions. So every time you have to you have to create a data frame, you have to pass it over here, and then you can get your results, right? But now they have developed a UDFT. So what does it mean? With UDFT introduced in Apache Spark 3.5, you can create functions that return entire table. We do not need to pass we do not need to pass a function into a data frame with except a columns of a data frame, and then it will return a kind of data set or data frame, right? So you can create a function that return entire tables from a single input, making it easier to work with multiple rows and columns, right? So what I'm doing, see, again, this is UDFT, right, return type. Now I am passing here, hey, I want num column which is supposed to be integer, and squared column which is supposed to be a int, right? Then I am creating one class square number. The function I am creating self start integer and should be an integer also, and then I am simply creating a loop and yield num into num. So what does it mean? What does it mean is num means it take one, like if it take 1, so 1 ka square will be 1, 2 ka square will be 4, like this, correct. So if I run this, you will see it will return the same output. Now you might be saying, hey Sagar, you did not do anything, like please explain me. And what if I tweak it? So I can tweak it also. If I am saying here, no, I want cube also, I want cube also, so like this I can have it. And here, see, since I have written here return type will be of 3 columns, right? Now if I run this, we'll see what will happen. It is breaking because it is saying return type is 3. I mean, return type has 3 columns, correct. And but yield may, what we are doing, we are passing only 2, right? So what ideally we have to do is we have to pass here num into num into num, something like this. Hope so it will work, because I am also doing it. If I run it now, correct. So it is a cube of 2. 2 cube is 8. 3 cube is 27. So see, I do not need to pass a data frame or anything else. I can return a table easily, right? So this is what the difference between UDF and UDFT, and I hope that you understood this concept, and please apply in your day-to-day task, and let me know if it is useful. Thank you. Bye bye. We'll meet you in the next lecture. Till then, if you are interested, please check out the courses on my portal. It will be helpful to you if you are changing your company, or if you want to build your career in this domain. Thank you. Bye bye.